São Paulo, Brazil's largest megacity. And you're stuck at the back of a group, straining to hear a single word. Rushed past the Mercado Municipal. Rushed past Batman Alley. A tight schedule leaving no room to actually understand what you're looking at. Uvamai's São Paulo self-guided audio tour hands you 10 of the city's richest stories, coffee barons, hidden tunnels, immigrant food empires, all narrated by an expert. For just $6, your private access link arrives straight to your inbox. No group, no rigid schedule, just São Paulo at your pace. Uncover hidden tunnels beneath Praça da Luz. Taste the stories inside the Mercado Municipal's stained glass halls. Rise above the city at Farol Santander's secret wartime vantage point. Walk the 2.8 kilometers of Avenida Paulista's coffee baron legacy. Wander the rebel murals of Batman Alley. 10 stops. Every story finally told in full. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand São Paulo, not just photograph it. $6. São Paulo's stories, secrets, and skyline told in full. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.